Our baby Snowpile Bibs keep little ones warm, dry, and comfortable for the wettest winter play conditions. Because we know the most extreme winter sport for littles can be getting dressed, we updated the fit and added room in the body for easy on, off, and layering. With adjustable snap straps and grow-fit cuffs to increase length by more than an inch, these bibs can grow with your grom before you hand them down to the next. The fully seam-sealed shell meets our tough H2 No performance standard for protection that's waterproof and breathable, so your little snow enthusiast won't get sweaty on the slopes. And 100-gram recycled polyester insulation gives legs, front, and back a cozy cover. These bibs have been made without PFCs, also known as PFAS or forever chemicals. And that includes the fabrics, membrane, and durable water-repellent finish. Elastic boot straps help keep cuffs pulled down and snow out. A drop-in chest pocket with hook and loop closure will save small treasures. And a wind flap covers the center front zipper for additional protection. When it's cold and wet, our baby Snowpile Bibs keep kids covered for outdoor fun.